First flip of 2021. Hi guys, so just thought I'd do a quick update video just to show you how we're getting on with that property that we bought a few weeks back at the beginning of 2021. If you remember, there was snow on the ground on the video. So just before we start, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these updates and any future videos. Okay, so let's go and take a look at what we've done. So starting off in the living room, we've completely stripped everything out. So we've stripped all the skirting boards back. We've taken all the carpet up. We've literally just thrown everything away. So yeah, so we've taken the fireplace out. So yeah, it's all gone. It's all looking good. It's all back to the basics. In here, we've cleaned all that out. Okay, so yeah, it's already looking a lot better than it was. So kitchen is now completely gone. Taking it all out. Cupboard's gone. We found a dead rat in here, so there was one more tenant that we expected. So yeah, all clear now, all ready to start again. So let's go and have a look upstairs. We still need to repair that. So yeah, carpets have all been stripped in here. Stripped off all the wallpaper. So it's all down to the plaster. Carpet's gone, so it's already a lot fresher in here. So moving on through, let's have a look. Same in here. If you remember, there was all mould and damp and things on this wall up there. So it was a right mess. The carpet was all completely stained with food and drinks, and but now it's looking good, looking good. And the last room I'll show you is the bathroom. So yeah, this is all looking good in here. We've stripped all this out. So stripped it all out, taken all the tiles off the wall. So what we'll do now is we'll get it all replastered. So the next step is, okay, so we've stripped it all out. We're going to get it replastered. Certain places it'll need to have what's called bonding on the wall, so you can't just plaster straight onto the brickwork. So we'll get it rebonded and replastered, reskimmed, and then we'll fit a nice new bathroom suite. We'll then get some new flooring. In the bedrooms, we will do exactly the same. We'll either re-wallpaper it or we'll re-skim the walls. My preference is to re-skim, but I'll just need to check with the plasterer just to make sure that there's no things that I haven't missed. So that's it really. So yeah, it's coming on good. And so next video I'll show you once we've got a bit more progress. So in the meantime, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.